Before you let your kid build another sketchy plywood ramp in the driveway, watch this. If your kid rides bikes, scooters, stay sick, or anything with wheels, you already know the problem. They want to ride every day, but the park isn't always close, and homemade ramps are questionable. That's why Freshpark makes portable BMX jumps and tracks that are built for real riding at home. They're weatherproof, easy to move, easy to store, and strong enough to keep up as your kid gets better. So instead of another screen day, they get a setup they'll actually use right in the driveway. Check out Freshpark bike jumps and tracks today and build their riding spot at home.